हैं?
एक पंखा चले दूसरा नहीं चले।
वो इंटेंस इतना है ना
क्या?
वो क्या बोले बैटरी में चल रही है।
अच्छा
सोलर ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाय तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। By the Godless Master Guru and Gauranga, now we are doing Parikrama, Sri Kshetra Mandal Parikrama. Now we have come, this place is called Alalnath. Also this place is called the Brahmagiri Parvat. You know, Brahmaji, he also performed hard austerity in this place. And for this regard, this place is called also Brahmagiri Parvat. Brahma means Brahmaji, Giri means mountain. In this place, and that time, that big, very high mountain. On the top of the mountain, Brahmaji, he performed hard austerities. इस स्थान पर ब्रह्मा जी ने कठोर तपस्या की। You know, Brahmaji also he had austerities in Barshana, and he manifested in the form of there also a mountain, and Brahma Parvat is there. When you are used to Brajamandala Parikrama, we are going Barshana. There are two mountains side by side. One is called Brahma Parvat, another is called Vishnu Parvat. And Nandagaon, Lord Shiva also manifested in the form of mountain that is called Nandisar Parvat. Especially Brahmaji, he wants the highest mood of conjugal mood. For this regard, he manifested in the form of mountain. And he prayed to Lord Vishnu, if I take birth in Braj, then my life will be successful. And so Lord also gave blessing. Then he manifested in the form of mountain, and Radha and Krishna, they perform sweet almost pastimes on the top of the mountain. That is called Brahma Parvat. In the same way, Kalpa Vedesu Harikatha, Vivinna, different Kalpa, and Brahmaji, he realized that one day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will come here. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he comes one day of a Brahma. And so Brahmaji is thinking, and one day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will come, and I will touch the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Why? Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the combined form of divine couple Radha and Krishna. And if you worship Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means you are worshipping Radha and Krishna. And if you worship only Krishna, you cannot worship Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Brahmaji, in the beginning of the Krishna Sattva Yuga, Brahmaji, he also came here in this place and he performed hard austerities. And this place is called, also I told, what is the name of this place? Could you remember?
Brahmagiri Parvat.
Alalnath. We have come, this place is called Alalnath. Actually, this is the South Indian language, Tamil or Dravid language. India there are many languages, many province and many also language. Dravid language, Tamil language, they are called Alal. Alal means, actual Alal, these are the original meaning, Olbor. What is the perfect words that is called Olbor. Then people cannot pronunciation perfect way, then Olbor, Alal, then sing the Alal. Understand? Maybe you do Halal. And Muslims they are halal. Actual origin they say Olbor Nath. Olbor means after those who are the eternal associate of Lord. That's called Bhagavat Parshad. You understand? Olbor means those who are very eternal associate of Lord. That is Bhagavat Parshad.
Haribol, Bhagavat Parshad. Bolo Gurudev ki jai. Bhagavat Parshad, the eternal associate of Lord. Just we are eating this word that is called Guru Padma. Who is Guru? Guru is called the nearest, dearest of Lord. Krishna. Saksa Daritreno Samostra Shastri Rukta Tatapa Bhakti Vasadi Kintu Prabhurja Priye Matasya Vande Gurusri Charana Ravindam Vande Gurusri Charana Ravindam Vande Gurusri Charana Ravindam. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad very nicely explained. Guru Padma is eternal associate of Krishna. Not only Krishna. Guru Padma is very near and dear service of Srimati Radha. Nikunja Juno Ratike Nisiddhi Jajani Yukti Ramesaniya Tatradi Daksha Ativallavassa Vande Gurusri Charana-ravindam Vande Gurusri Charana-ravindam Vande Gurusri Charana-ravindam. That means, who is Guru Padma? That is called Gurudev. He is the dear and dearest Sakhi of Srimati Radha. So in our Gaudiya tradition that is called Guru Rupa Manjari Dhyan. You can meditate. Gurudev is the Manjari. So in South India, this is the tradition is going on that is called Olbor. You can understand? Olbor means?
The eternal associate.
Eternal associate of
the Lord.
Lord. Bhagavat Parshad. That we are explaining about Guru. Guru is also very associate.
Eternal associate.
Eternal associate of
Lord.
Srimati Radhika. Radhika's Nitya Sakhi Kalika. Krishna Choro. Krishna is blackness. And we have no need to relationship with Krishna. And maybe you go to why you worship Lord Krishna. Because Srimati Radhika, she loves Krishna. For this regard, we love Krishna. And Modisa Nagote Mohana Chandra Braja Vaneshwari Raghunath Das Goswami in Manasiksha explained, we have no direct relationship with Krishna. This is true. Manjari, they never direct meet with Krishna. Because they are one pointed with
Srimati Radhika.
Srimati Radhika. Radha Pran. They are heart and soul, Srimati Radhika. আমি তো রাধিকার দাসী Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this song explained, I am the maidservant of Srimati Radhika. Understand? There are three types of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. One is called Krishna Bhakta Sakhis. Some Sakhis, they are intense towards Krishna.
as the Vrinda, Vrindarika, Dhanishta. They serve Radha Srimati Radhika, very nicely. Without Vrinda Devi, not possible to manifest Srimati Radhika's Nishanta Leela. 8 of 9, this Leela, this is the function of
Vrindadevi.
Vrindadevi. Vrindadevi's role is prominent role. But Vrindadevi's heart intends towards
Krishna.
Krishna. Krishna Paksha. And another topic that is called Ubhay Paksha. Ubhay Paksha means both. They love Srimati Radhika and they love
Krishna.
Krishna. A little bit intense towards Srimati Radhika. But our Shastra says they are Ubhay Paksha. They both, Ubhay means both. They love Radha and Krishna. That is called Ashta Savi, Devita, Visakha, Sudevi, Rangadevi. This is Ashta Savi. And another kinds of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, they are called Radha Mukhya Gopi. Radha Nishtha Gopi. Nishtha means fixed. They never running here and there. They are always is what? Running the footsteps of Srimati Radhika. They are intense, they are always in one place. They are as like the shadow of Srimati Radhika. And if you walk, then your shadow
Follow you.
follow you. One step, not going here and there. Do you understand? Vrinda, Vrindarika, Lalita, Visakha, they are step going something here and there. But those are the manjaris, their step only, footstep is only
Following Srimati.
following Srimati Radhika. This is very important. Maybe you don't understand, you are baby, one day understand. Baby does not understand. One day you understand what is the meaning of Manjari Bhav. Manjari Bhav means only one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Not going here and there. Even in Sadhaka Dasa, if you one pointed, then you achieve your perfection goal. Nishtahite upajaye pramera taranga. Nishtahite upajaye pramera taranga. When you nishtha, then the waves of praise, love will manifest in your heart. This is the process. Manjari Bhav means this. Only one pointing with Srimati Radhika. Sometimes Krishna wants to meet with Manjaris, but Manjaris say no. Understand this? No. As like the Gurudev explained, as like the twins of the Kripas. You know, twins of the Kripas?
Twine.
Twine the
of the creepers.
Kripas. And twins of the Kripas going this way. When Krishna coming, then go this way. Understand? Don't touch my body, Harile Rasiya. Understand? There are people also saying this way. Krishna tried to touch the body of Manjari. But Manjari, you are looking, my Swami is there. And especially Lalita Devi, she is always guarding there. And if Krishna will come to meet with, but touch the body of Manjari, then Lalita Devi, she just stands. And Lalita Devi, she is very strict. For this regard, Lalita Devi, she is called Prakhara. Prakhara means is very talkative. And cut the argument of Krishna. And chastisement. This is. For this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur also glorified to Lalita Devi. Lalita. What is song? Palladasi kari Lalita Sundari Amare loiya kabe Sri Radhika pode kalmi laibe Akan se baasam pibe Akan se baasam pibe Akan se baasam pibe Amare loiya kabe Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Jainadharma very clearly explained those are very, very extreme, I cannot use this word, extreme fortune, they will come in the group of Lalita Saki. There are many groups are there. Lalita's group, Visakha's group, gone. Lalita gone. God means group. Visakha's group. Hindu Lekha group, what is called? Rama Devi, Sudini, 8 Sakis, 8 groups are there. But those are very extreme fortune and limited. They will come in the group of Lalita Saki. But why? Lalita Devi is very tiny. And she protects to the everybody, especially Manjaris. Manjaris, they are very, very soft. And they are always a servicing mood. Servicing. But their mind always remembering Srimati Radhika. Radhika. That's what this regard, they are called Palvadasima. There are 11 moods are there. Naam, Roop, name, beauty, Roop, qualities, and Agna Seva. So Agna Seva means what? Agna Seva means content, that's giving the order. This side service. Lalita Devi, she is the chief commander for the service. Lalita Devi, she is very powerful. Her finger always this way. Hey, do this, do this. Even she also chastisement to Srimati Radhika. Dhurte vajantatane tam sustum pam. Chastisement this finger. Lalita Devi always this way. Some people also are. When speaking, that finger is always this way. Hey, do this, do this. Lalita Devi is this way. Dhurte vajantatane tam sustum pam. Madakshana bhava kalamkini. Laghavaya. Srimati Radhika, Lalita Devi, she also chastisement to Srimati Radhika. Hey Radhe, don't give up your Sankimut man. Krishna again and again go down his forehead, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika and holding ears. Again I will not do this. Holding 2 years and up down. In our school, if any student not properly doing any text, homework, then teacher told, okay, hold your 2 years and 100 times.
Up and down.
Up and down. This is our school's punishment. Or to stand up on the bench and hold this. In the same way, Krishna, again and again, hold his ears and up and down. And crying, again I will not do this. But Srimati Radhika's heart is very soft. She can't tolerate that this type of Krishna activities. But Lalita Devi is chastisement. Dhurte vajandam tame tanusustum pammam ma dakshina kalamkini laghavaya. Hey Radhe, Krishna is very cunning. Dhurt, kapat.
Cheating.
Very cheater person, he is cheating. Because cheater person for his own purpose can do everything. Cheater person that externally shedding tears. Actually being cheater. Understand? For this regard, what it is? When you speak, don't. And so cheater person, Srimati Radhika, Lalita Devi she told, this is the activity of cheater. Big cheater. So don't you give up your man. You have to keep your Bhamma Bhav, Sankimut. This one. Why is it? Because Lalita Devi, she is the group commander, group leader. And especially she protects the Manjaris. This is very important. So he is saying, for this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song. By the cosmos mercy of Lalita Devi, then we will attain the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika, she will give Agna Seva. 11 moods are there. Pancha, Dasa, 5 stages and 11 mood are there. Ekadas bhav. Panchadasa, Sravandasa, Smarandasa, Apandasa, Bhavandasa, and Prem Sampatti Dasa. What I am speaking, you can read my book, book.
Jewels of the Heart.
Everything I elaborately explain this way. Very nice, you can read it again and again. The Manjari Bhav is there. The Manjari's Bhav is very, very real. Durlabh, not easy. But it takes a time to listen to Lalita Devi. Lalita Devi is being offered to Srimati Radhika. If anybody is thinking just, I want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika, then Lalita Devi catch him and take in his own group and offer to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. For the Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Lalita Sakhira Ajaka Kinkori Vinodo Dhori Chepayo Lalita Sakhira Ajaka Kinkori Vinodo Dhori Chepayo. Bhaktivinoda Thakur very humble singing this song. I'm fallen, unqualified. But if Lalita Devi accept her group, then I can serve as the spirit of Srimati Radhika. So now coming in this day, we have come this place. This is called Alal Nath. That is actual, what is the original name? Alvar Nath. Or Nath means that the master of the Alvar. Alvar means those are eternal associates of Lord. They are master. That means Lord Krishna himself. But they worship, especially in the tradition, they worship Vishnu, four-handed Vishnu. Actually, who is he? Krishna. Krishna manifested in the form of Lord Vishnu. Lord is one. Ekam eva advitiyam. I am one without second. But according to the rasas of different living entities, I manifested different forms. Because that time the Alvar, their mood is called Oisarja mood, opulence mood. Fortunately, Lord Krishna manifested in the form of Lord Narayan Sankha Chakra Gada Padmu. Very nice. So, here this place, Alvar is having actual. Here is some people, they came from Dravid and they also live here and they worship their deities. You have seen Narayan. Inside of the deities, that is called Alvarnath Lord Narayan Sankha Chakra Gada. There are many sweet pastimes is here. Legend. What is called? Legend. Legend is here. And people legend is here. One katha is very nice book. Very beautiful katha. One Brahmana, he worships this Thakurji, according to their, what is called? Coming the
tradition.
No. Pala karke aate hain na? Ye dosti part bata. According to their.
बताएं हिंदी में बताएं.
जैसे पूजा करते हैं ना, जैसे उठे 2 दिन पूजा होती है, इसके 2 दिन पूजा होती है.
Wow.
No. According to their, what is that?
Tradition.
No, you have 4 brothers. So one brother serves 2 days, another brother serves 2 days.
Rota.
Schedule. In the same way, there are many in their dynasties people, they worship to Thakurji and the schedule. That Brahmana, he worshipped this Thakurji. But that day Brahman, he went out far away somewhere. Then his wife prepared preparation for Thakurji. Then she told her 5 years old one boy, son, your father is not today in house, your father has gone somewhere. So you can also offer this plate to Thakurji. This is called Alvarnath Lord Narayan. That's why he told Mom, I don't know how to offering. Even I have no Brahman secret trade. And no Govind. I have no secret trade. Diksha mantra. Understand this? No Gayatri mantra. I don't know how to offer him. Then mother told my son told Hari, just you put this plate in front of Thakurji and simply you can tell to Thakurji, here Thakurji, please, you eat this and put stuff. It's a simple. No need to chant any mantra, nothing. That simple boy, only 5 years old, he brought the food stuff and offered in front of the Thakurji. Then Thakurji came down from the Singhasana and Thakurji ate everything. Then that boy, he was playing with his friends. He directed Thakurji ate all the food stuff from the plate. So this is offering. Then he is playing. After 1 hour, after 1 and 2 hours, mother calls, hey, what is the plate? Then prasad. Prasad? What is the prasad? Are you offered Thakurji? Your father every day and take
Remnant. Bring back.
return back the plate prasad. You told me about Thakurji, and Thakurji ate everything. Then the mother told how possible. Every day your father. But no. Then mother she thought maybe my naughty boy, restless boy, and he did not properly close the door of the temple. Maybe cat or other animal entered and ate or. Then mother she entered the temple, saw the plate is placed there, but no prasad. It's completely hurt. Meat. In this way, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, that boy is offered. But Thakurji ate everything. Then one day mother said, maybe you ate everything. And chastisement, taking one stick and punishment tell you. Then mom, I offered, I saw direct Thakurji came down from the Singhasana and he ate everything. Then after 5 days, Brahmana, he returned back from his job. Then the wife of Brahmana, she told all this story. Then my son offered Thakurji and Thakurji ate everything. Brahman told, how possible? I am Brahman. I am every day chanting Brahma Gayatri. How many times? 3 times.
3 times.
And morning, midday and evening. But my small boy, 5 years old, he has no Brahman trade. And even he does not know the proper pronunciation of any mantra. So how possible Thakur accepted his offering? But why Brahmani she told? No, my son, he told truth. And I chastised and I also made fair to him. But that boy he told, no mom. Thakurji direct came down from the Singhasana and ate everything. Then Brahman told, okay, I will take test. Tell today, my son, I went out somewhere. So maybe son will be offered Thakurji, then I will be hide behind the Thakurji. I will see how Thakurji is eating or not, or my son is eating. And then Brahmani she prepared many kinds of preparation for Thakurji and told her son, hey, today your father went out somewhere, you can offer. That small boy again he brought the food stuffs plate in front of Thakurji. And the boy he called Thakurji, please come and take prasad, I don't know any mantra. My mother told me just you offer and Thakurji take prasad. Thakurji tu khali. Bas. 2 times, 3 times the boy, small boy, please come and take prasadam. But Thakurji not coming.
Then Brahman, that boy, small boy, he hold the hand of Thakurji. But today Thakur is very heavy. Eh? Not also hard, not easy to
Move.
Eh? First, second day, third day, 5 days, Thakurji ate prasad, just calling and Thakurji coming down. And today Thakurji not moving, very heavy. Huh? Strong. Then that boy start to cry, Thakurji, why you are angry with me? 5 days, I gave you prasad, you ate everything, but today you are why not coming? Why you are angry with me? And if you will not eat everything, then my mother will bitterly beat me. Huh? Still Thakurji not speaking, not anything. Then the boy, small boy, is crying, Thakurji, please come, take prasadam. Ajao, khalu. But Thakurji not speaking anything. Then he crying, hey Thakurji, if you not take prasad, then my mother will bitterly beat me. Then Thakurji told, start to speak, Thakurji, Vigraha, this Vigraha, everything. Thakurji told, listen, you are very simple, Saral. For this regard, I accept all your offering. Without mantra, bhavagrahi janardanam. Lord accepts everything according your simple mood. यदि आपके भाव सच्चे हो, तो भगवान मंत्र बिना भी ग्रहण कर लेते हैं. मंत्र जप करने की जरूरत नहीं है. कहते हैं गुरुदेव, इस मंत्र का अर्थ बताओ. मुझे तो मंत्र का अर्थ पता ही नहीं. दीक्षा तो दे दिया, मंत्र तो अर्थ नहीं बताया. अरे मंत्र अर्थ की कोई जरूरत नहीं है मूर्ख. मंत्र क्या है? स्वतःस्फूर्त. नो नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ मंत्र. मंत्र का अर्थ जानने की जरूरत नहीं है. मंत्र that is self-manifested in your heart. Even Bhagavad Sanatana Goswami Pada explained, knowingly, unknowingly, if you touch the fire with your hand, then your hand will be burned or not? Yes. In the same way, mantra. You know the meaning of mantra, you don't know meaning of the mantra, mantra will manifest in your heart. This is the thing. Jatha agad raja iva. Agad raja iva means as like the nectar. Agad raja means nectar. Sanskrit. Knowingly, unknowingly, if you drink the nectar, you will become immortal, amar. Knowingly, unknowingly, if you drink the poison, you will be die. Simple. If you know, no, I did not know that was poison. You will die or not? You will become sick. In the same way, if you know the meaning of a mantra, you don't know meaning of the mantra, don't worry. Gopkumar, when he received this mantra from his guru, Jayanta, remember, what is the name of guru of Jayanta, Gopkumar? Jayanta. I told already. That time Jayanta, his Gurudev, did not explain the meaning of the mantra. No, he did not explain how the chant of the mantra also. Gopal mantra, same mantra we are chanting. So don't worry. You know the meaning of the mantra, you don't know the meaning of mantra. Mantra is called self-manifestation. And this is another thing, very simple. If you are very simple, Lord will accept your offering. Look this boy, he did not know any mantra. Just he told, my mother told, offer, Thakurji, you come and take. Thakurji told. And today Thakurji told, hey Brahman boy, listen, I accepted all your offering, this is true. But today your father, where is your father? Behind me. Because your father had no faith. Though he is Brahmana, and chanting three times Gayatri mantra. But he has no faith with me. I am Sachidananda Vigraha. And Isara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarvakaranam Karanam. And Vigraha means Sachidananda Vigraha. But your father has not this faith. Yeah, I am accepting this thing. This is the thing. But you are actual, who is real Brahman? You are real Brahman. Who is real Brahman? Who is simple. Simplicity is called the Brahmanism of प्योर ब्राह्मण इज कॉल्ड द वैष्णव। जो सरल हो जाता है उसी के ब्राह्मण कहा जाता है, और जो ब्राह्मण होता है वही होता है वैष्णव बनता है। पहले समझिए, सरल ब्राह्मण होने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? बोलो, सरल होने पड़ेगा। इफ यू वांट टू बिकम ब्राह्मणा, you have to become simple. And if you perfect simple, then you are Brahman. You are perfect Brahman, then you are perfect. Become perfect Vaishnava. This is the process. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada. Give up all kinds of duplicity, hypocrisy. छल कपट का त्याग देना, ये भी बहुत कठिन होता है। छल कपट के त्याग देना बहुत कठिन होता है। छल कपट को त्याग दे, सरल होइले गोरार विचार बुझिया लेंगे। Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, if you become simple, then you can understand all the conception of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. महाप्रभु के सारे विचार को अपना भी समझ में आ जाए। और यदि छल कपट करते रहो, हजारों साल तक भजन भी करते रहे, कुछ भी करते रहे, आपके समझ में कभी काले ना कभी आपके समझ में नहीं आया। यू हैव टू बिकम सिंपल। छोड़ दो सब कपट, जो कपट करते हैं उसके संग मत करो। ये भी विचार जो विषय है। कुछ चीटर, डोंट एसोसिएट विथ hypocrites. So this is your Thakurji. Thakurji told, hey Brahman boy, you are very simple. For this regard I accepted all your offering. But your father has no faith. For this regard I will not come. But still the boy told, please Thakurji come here. Then Thakurji came down from the Singhasan and started to eat. 1-2 times eat. Then the Brahman, he came out. In front of Thakurji, Thakurji, if you eat everything, what will you eat? Then Thakurji become very angry and stupid, nonsense, Brahmana. Are isavasya sarvamidam jatkinjan jagaddam jagat tena tapta bhunjita ma kritakasya siddhanam. Everything belongs to me. I am eating, or you think what you mean? Stupid nonsense. Then Lord also there. You have to, I am giving cards. Except your son, all your dynasty should be destroyed. So try to understand this way. For this regard, this is the story of Alvarnath Katha. This way. Another is that there was one Maijar Brahmana. Maijar, understand? Maijar, Konjusa. Konjus samajhte Maijar. Maijar means he had lot of wealth of money. He did not spend one penny for himself and never he give donation to anyone else. Understand? That is called Maijar. Lot of wealth of money, but he did not give one donation to anyone. Just he hold his one coin, his hand. One day I stole this thing.
Yes.
Okay, I give the donation to Thakurji. Then he got very then his hand full of sweat. Then he opened, then coin is crying. Hey coin, don't cry. Don't cry. I will not give to anyone. Then again he put his pocket. This is the major person. Long story, just I told you, many times I told this story. So that Brahmana, one day he came Harikatha, one sadhu. Sadhu explained how to serve Thakurji and everything. If I had not served Thakurji, your life is useless. And only eating, sleeping, defending and meeting, life is useless. But serve Thakurji. That time, after Harikatha, that major person, he came in front of the sadhu. He asked Thakurji, he asked the sadhu, listen, I want to worship Thakurji, but I don't want spend any penny for Thakurji, one new one. Have you any process to serve Thakurji? Then sadhu told, okay, so you can buy one deities. Oh my God, if I buy deities, also spend
money.
Money or not? If you buy the deities of Thakurji, spend money or not? How much? Maybe 3,000, 5,000 metal deities. No, I don't want to buy anything. That means I don't want to spend 1 penny for anyone. Yeah. That time Sadhu told, okay, I will give one. What will do? Okay, you can worship Thakurji with your mind. Manasik Seva. Rupa Goswami Pad explained, Manasik, this is the best service. You cannot, no need to cook. If you go cook, then many hours. Management, this way, buying the sabji from the market, cooking, this you need, gas cylinder, need many things. We are many things also doing this. Okay, this is the best service. What is the best service? Manasik Seva. What is the Manasik Seva? Okay, when you wake up early in the morning, after taking bath, then you sit one asana. Then you think, oh, my deity is very nice, beautiful. How is beautiful? Varaha Pidam Nataprakopu Karnakarnikaram Vibrodavaso Kanakavisang Bajantamalam Randhan Vinoradasudaya Puranagupavrindai Vindaram Savadaramanam Pravisadakiti Kirti. Krishna is very nice, beautiful, dancing pose, cement fold. Tribangalo. Just to meditate and Srimati Radhika and Gopi Jati. This is very simple. No need to buy one photo. Also, if you buy the photo, also pay money or not?
Yes.
And in this material world, you cannot get anything free. You have to buy. Get one, buy one, get one, free one. But free one, not one give to you. Buy one. 100% true. And businessman, people are saying, buy one, get one, or free one. Actually, they will not give free one. They do. So you think, I will not do so photo, no. Okay, in your mind, just you meditate, the Krishna is very nice, beautiful, three-band-fold, and playing flute. Very nice. I think, okay, so wake up early in the morning and meditate. Then you can dress Thakurji, very nice, beautiful dress cloth every day. You can change Thakurji dress cloth and pink color, very nice, beautiful. Put in the cloth. Very nice, beautiful. By mind, no need to spend one, no need to go to the market. If you don't go market, road jam. Road jam, understand?
Traffic jam.
Traffic jam! Very difficult also. Understand? Very traffic. So traffic jam.
No parking space.
No parking space. So much also parking space.
You have to pay for parking.
Pay for parking. England also. So you are thinking, this is very good. No need to go market. Just your mind. Oh, I am buying some very nice, beautiful silken cloth for Thakurji. And very quickly do this and dress Thakurji. Very nice. After Thakurji bathing and dressing Thakurji, then what will do? You offer some food stuff. What is the best food for Thakurji?
Kheer.
Butter. Thakurji, one name is called he likes butter. For this regard, in our Gaudiya Math, and after Mangalarti, and you have to offer butter. This is the process also. In Devananda Gaudiya Math, I remember when he was the Pujari. 1 year I was in Pujari of Devananda Gaudiya Math. Then my uncle every day told, you have to offer every day
Butter.
butter. Thakurji likes. Okay. Then in his mind, just he is bringing the butter from the market. No pain, nothing. Then one day he thinking, oh, every day in my mind go to the market and buying the butter. Okay, it is better. I can one day can buy the butter maybe 1 kilo butter. Half kilo today I will offer and half kilo I will tomorrow. So in his mind, just integrate Thakurji, take butter, then dropping butter, melted, then all 1 kilo butter on the plate of Thakurji. Oh my God! What happened? Again tomorrow I will go. No, he's taking the butter. Then Thakurji directly said, what is happening? Hey! Only my name is Makancho. Second person
what? Inside Mandir, you can see what? Makhan Chor. My name is
Makhan Chor.
Makhan Chor. What do you mean Makhan Chor?
Only I can steal.
Butter tea.
Butter thief. This is my name. Huh? You cannot steal. Huh? Understand? I am thief. So you cannot steal from me. Huh? Understand? This way. Then Thakurji smiled. Then he opened his eyes. Thakurji direct manifested in front of him and taking the butter and butter also smeared on his lips.
Jai.
So in this way, the Gopasthani path, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu also explains two kinds of service. One is called physical service, to serve Thakurji Archan, and another Archan that is called Manasik
Seva.
If you do Archan Thakurji, first you, in your mind, worship Thakur, that is called Manasik Seva. Then another service, that is called physical, do Archan, Idam Atmanam, Kishavayam, Idam Atmanam, Madhavayam, Narayam, and another service is Manasik, just you sit, close your eyes, then service is very quick. Manasik. Once one Brahmana. He had a very nice beautiful story. Then I explained, the house very beautiful. That's one Brahmana. And he also cooked sweet rice. Very high class Brahmana. He cooked some sweet rice. And then he's thinking, in his mind, not the physical. And he prepared very nice sweet rice. And then he's thinking, is sweet rice very hot or not? If thinking very hot, then maybe Thakurji would not accept. So for this regard, just he meditate to Thakurji and prepare the sweet rice. Then he is offering, then he thinking this sweet rice, first offering, then thinking maybe this is very hot, should not offer. Then he put his finger inside the sweet rice. Then he in his hand burned. Then in Vaikuntha, Lord Vishnu smiled. Then Lakshmi Devi she asked, "Oh my husband, why you are smiling?" Nobody has. That time Lord Vishnu told, "Listen, Lakshmi Devi, in this material world, one Brahmana, just his mind, she prepared the sweet rice and offered to my deities, Vigraha. That Vigraha is not even from me. She offered the hot sweet rice and one drop. When the Brahmana offered, then I ate, then my lips little bit burned, and still also my finger burned. Here Brahman finger burned and Thakurji's finger also burned. And one sweet drop, sweet rice drop in his chest. So this is the burn. Have you seen? In the Thakurji inside, Thakurji this finger. One finger burned. And also little bit burned in the corner of the lips. Yeah. And another also.
We did not take us Maharaj inside, so we did not see anything.
And also little bit burned spot in his chest. Then Lakshmi Devi she told, how possible if anybody offered to you in his mind and you made body yes. Oh, then Lakshmi Devi she told, I have to see your highest devotee. Then Lord Narayan and Lakshmi Devi came here and he saw this thing. This Vigraha is translated. Sapadiji all Ishvara Paramam Krishnam Sachidananda Vigraha Anadhiradi Govindan Sarvakarana Karanam. This Vigraha is translated and Vigraha is Bhakta Bhagavan. How is this thing? So try to understand this thing. So this Thakurji is called also Lord of Alvar Alarnath. Nam coming Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela Katha. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Sanam, and he came Jagannath Puri. Mahaprabhu, he was in this material world 48 years. 24 years, he performed his household lila, that is Rasa lila. At last 12 years, he performed his sannyas lila. So after taking sannyas, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in this Jagannath Puri, and first 6 years he traveled South India, Bengal, Vrindavan this way, coming and going this way. And then last 12 years he was continuing staying in Jagannath. Then his last 12 years only he was staying in Gambhira. And always absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. Lord Chaitanya was thinking, I am Radha. Now my beloved Krishna left me. He went Vrindavan. Mahaprabhu. Mathura. My beloved Krishna, he left me, he went Mathura. Mathura. And Lord Chaitanya was crying day and night. Kahamar pranad murli vadan, kaha jaun, kaha paun, Brajendranandan, kahari kohiva dukkha, ke jane mor dukh, Brajendranandan bina phate mor dukh. Mahaprabhu told, where I will go? Where I will find out my beloved Krishna? How can I express my heart? Who can realize my heart? No one. In this way, day and night, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was crying and sitting there. That time, only 2 persons were staying with him. Swarup Damodar and Radha. Radha and Swarup Damodar pacified to him, singing the Kirtan song of Vidyapati and Chandrika. Sakri Tikun Kohar Anand Chiradin Madhava Mandirimo. Srimati Radhika, she told Sakri, I can't express my heart. And after a long separation, I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. Achara Bhari Ajadi Mahi Papai, Tabuham Piyare Dura Tesena Pathai, Sitero Orani Piya Porisere Cha. Vidyapati, he wrote this song, very nice, beautiful song. After a long separation, Srimati Radhika went with her beloved Krishna. Then one Sakhi of Srimati Radhika, she told, Hey Radhe, but what are you feeling with your beloved Krishna Govinda? Then Srimati Radhika, she told, Ki kaiva Sakhi Ananda Or, how can I express my happiness to meeting with my beloved Govinda? Sitero Orani Priya. In the winter season, what do you want? Blanket. You also, if it had cold, England, had cold, or Siberia, -20. You have one blanket and wrap your body. I tell, hey, give me your blanket. Will you give to me? No. Because I will die. Chacha apan puran bachcha. First, live and let live. First, this is called in Hindustan, this is called live and let live. पहले बचो, दूसरे के बचाओ. ये बताइए. But no, I want to give this blanket to you. If I give blanket to you, then I will die. So fine, I will die. In the same way, Srimati Radhika she told, Srimati Krishna is now as like blanket. I am completely tied to him in my chest. I know what will go out from him. Tied. Don't out Govinda. Don't out go out from my heart. So Sitero Orani Priya and Varisarji. In the rainy season, umbrella. He likes this. This is a song it is. Or this sometimes also in this separation mood, Srimati Radhika, she is thinking how to meet with Krishna. Maybe someone told, oh, Krishna is coming in your kunja. Return back to Mathura to Vrindavan. Then Srimati Radhika she told, Viraha jara jaranantara, Sakire tora kunja sajaure, Sakire tora kunja sajaure, Bala asite vasite pare, Amar prana priya re, Sakire तोरा कुंज सजाओ रे सखी तोरा कुंज सजाओ रे आसिते ओ आसिते पारे আমার প্রাণ প্রিয় রে ব্যতীত অন্তর্হৃদয়ে आसिते आसिते पारे আমার প্রাণ প্রিয় রে सखी तोरा कुंज सजाओ रे very nice beautiful this song Srimati Radhika even in her separation mood when she heard yes, Krishna is coming from Mathura to Vrindavan. Someone told, your beloved Krishna is coming. When Srimati Radhika heard this thing, then Srimati Radhika, she told, though I am feeling separation, Patita Hidaya Jarjara, Krishna Patita Jarjara Hidaya Antare, so I am feeling separation from my beloved Krishna. Hey, Savis, you have to decorate very nice, decorate the kunja with the flowers, with the petals of the flowers. Tahate chitiya do aguru chandan, and you will give the aguru and chandan. Chandan means aguru. Aguru understand? Aguru jante hai? Wonderful one kind of perfume, liquid perfume. That only you can buy in Navadvip. I think you cannot buy anywhere. Aguru, one kind of liquid perfume. Very nice. So she has Srimati Radhika, tomora chitiye dao aguru chandan. Aur kunja sajao, and you also decorate the kunja as like your joy. In the separation. In the same mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was taking Jagannath Puri. But after Das Prabhuji also explained, Maharaj Dandavad. Then after long separation, Srimati Radhika is after long separation, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was kind in this way. After Snana Jatra, that is called public, again, public bathing festival, that is called Snana Jatra. Lord Jagannath, too much taking bath, then he is become sick. And too much also nose running. English word. What is saying?
Nose running.
How person nose running? But very cold.
Very cool.
Sick. And then 2 weeks, Thakurji resting and completely what? Closed door. No one giving darshan. That time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt pain separation of Lord Jagannath. And that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu left Jagannath Puri and he used to come this place, Alarnath. And here Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is staying here. But when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mood, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mood is the first separation of Srimati Radhika. And you cannot imagine. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, oh, where is my beloved Krishna? Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu lay down on the stone. The stone completely melted. And you have seen the 8 spots are there. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's 2, what is called? Knees. Pardon? 8 marks. And on the melted of the stone, we have seen this. 2 knees, chest, arm, and forehead, and also 2 days. You have seen there. Even the mountain, even the stone also. Why? This is called Viraha. And this is the how is the heat of the Viraha? Viraha, Agni. And the fire of the separation is coming from this. This way. So many kathas is there. Now 10 o'clock we have to take breakfast, then we'll go another place. Maybe night time we'll be also glorified more Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is the highest mood, Dipa Mahaprasad. And consider to lightness. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Dipa Mahaprasad as I said, Mura Srimati Radhika. Radhika Bhav Deche Uddhava Darshane, Saimata Prabhu Rahe Ratri Jine. When Uddhav came to Vrindavan, Uddhav we saw Srimati Radhika considering to the man Dipa Mahaprasad. And Dev Prasad Path, only 10 slokas he described about Srimati Radhika considering to madness. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was staying in Jagannath Puri. Continued 12 years. Yes? Could you imagine? What kinds of Srimati Radhika, these types of transcendental madness, who can glorify? Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita very nicely and elaborately explained Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's these types of transcendental madness. Yesterday I told something about in Gambhira, how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cried and feeling separation for Krishna. Baro Sajana Hari